What's up, YouTube? Welcome to another Trail Dogs Tuesday. We got Chris's buggy here. We're gonna do the tire swap. Last time we went to Haspin, it really showed that in mud and slippery conditions, Liberties ain't made for that. So he went ahead and said, dun da da da. I'm getting the System 3 Xtr370s, 32 10 14, baby. It's a mouthful, I know. So we're gonna go ahead and swap them over, get them on. It should give them. I mean, if you look at it, let's pick it up. Oh dang, they weigh a lot. Let's pick it up. I mean, you're looking at a massive increase in size. Massive. So it'll give them a little bit more ground clearance and a little bit more trail friendly traction to get through what we got to get through. So all right, we went ahead and got the System 3 Xtr370s mounted, scrubbed the suspension out. We went from about just under 15 to 16 and a quarter. So we picked up about 1.5 inches with these 32-inch System 3s as opposed to the Liberties. So yeah, I mean, you guys check it out. It'll probably need a clutch kit. Oh well. But yeah, it all looks good. We like it. And them race lines look good on there. So yeah, we're good to go. We're gonna do a couple more things to it. We're gonna call it a day on it. See you guys in a few. Thanks for watching.